Welcome to this video. This video is about an overview of this new generative AI tool called as Your AI Sales Engineer, and the tool's name is Commonbase. Now I'm a bit confused about the name here because all this tool is doing is asking you to select a repository and then you can ask questions from that repository. So it is simply like any other chatbots, which is letting you have your own data and then you can ask question about it. So it could be sales engineer, it could be solution engineer, it could be developer, it could be anything. So I'm not sure why they are just confining it to sales engineer, as you can see from their website, because once you start looking into their website, then it is all uh, primarily a chatbot, which is letting you select your own repo and then talk with it. Now, if you go down, you can see that it could be sales engineer, it could be customer success manager, it could be solution engineer. And when we say solution engineer, it could be anything. Anyway, so in order to try it out, all you need to do is to click on this green button here and then sign in with your GitHub account or with your Google account, and then you can try it out. Once you log in, you can see that it is just a chatbot. So here you can add your own repo from GitHub or even from any, I think you can also select any other repo too, I guess. But for now, I think it is just GitHub. Anyway, so I'm not going to link my own GitHub repo. They already have supplied few of the repos like Terraform, LangChain, and Next.js. Let's go with Terraform, and then you can either ask these questions or you can type your own questions. So, for example, I can ask what are modules in Terraform. Press enter, and this is simply just like ChatGPT 4 or any other chatbot, it seems. So there you go. The only difference is, of course, you can connect your own repo, but I think you can also do the same if you have ChatGPT, OpenAI Assistant, or anything like that. And there are various tools available in open source too, which does the same thing. So I am still struggling to understand that what exactly is different about this product. Now, of course, the benefits are very visible with these sort of tool if you have your own repo, because for example, if you have your own company data and your sales teams are in the field and customers are asking questions, instead of wondering about it, they can simply log into this chatbot and then get the answer and provide it to the customer, and you don't have to really wait for your internal teams to come back to those sales people. Similarly, if your solution engineers are looking for some technical answers, they can go into this repo and search it out. So, and of course, I mean, it is real time. It seems that it is going in and taking sort of a RAG. You can see it's retrieval augmented generation behind the scene, it seems. Anyway, if you look at the pricing, I'll show you. It seems quite expensive to me, like $100 per month for 500 questions. I mean, why shouldn't I just log in to OpenAI platform, pay them $20 per month, upload my own data? Maybe I will get charged a bit for input output tokens, but that depends. Because if starter one, I think it's a bit expensive, and then for the growth one, again, I'm not sure. Looks okay to me, but still need to check it out. This one thing is quite good, that there is also a Slack Connect support channel, and I think you can also integrate it with your Slack somehow, because I saw it somewhere you can integrate it. Anyway, so tool is good, but I am not sure if there is anything different about this tool than other chatbots. So if you are using it and I have missed it completely, please correct me in the comments. And if not, then if you know of any other similar tool which is a bit cheaper, or you think that there's an alternate, let me know too. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're already subscribed, please share it among your network, and I'll drop the link to this Commonbase in video's description too. Thanks for watching.